Okay, starting a journey into cybersecurity, you need to be mindful of your PC memory capacity. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check the memory capacity of your PC before you buy them. Okay, so hover to my notepad. So press Windows R key. Let me press Windows R. Alright, I'm going to type this command, the SDN, the X, yeah, so I can be able to know my PC information and capacity first. Let me show you. Give it a moment to load. Alright, so now I have a memory here, 16 gigabyte on my PC. So to know the maximum RAM your PC can contain, then we have to run this command. Go to your go to search button and type as cmd. You can run as administrator, then allow it to reload. Click OK, then copy this command. This command is going to check your physical memory capacity. Okay, so I paste this command here, then click enter. Then you see the maximum capacity memory for this PC is 16 gig. I cannot be able to exceed it. There's nothing like 32 gig or above. So the maximum memory capacity of my PC is 16 gig, and that is what I have here. Sorry, and that is what I have here. Sorry, this is what I have here, 16 gigabyte of RAM. So this is it for this video. If this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell notification so you can be able to see my new videos. See you in the next one. Well on.